Hello everyone. Today I am here with the chapter 1, day 3 for class 10. So today we are going to discuss about the types of chemical reaction. Different types of chemical reactions, mainly there are 6 types of chemical reaction: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement, neutralization and redox reaction. So today we are going to discuss these all reactions one by one. So first of all is combination reaction. As from its name, it's very clear that the reaction in which two or more substances, that is reactants, combine to form a single compound. As I have mentioned, A plus B, there are two substances, two reactants. When they are combining, they form one substance, that is C. So this is combination reaction. Here given below the examples as C plus O2 CO2 and Mg plus O2 Mg. Decomposition reaction. The chemical reactions in which a single compound, now in that case the single compound will break up into smaller substances, right? Like AB is a single substance and it's converting into A and B. So reactant is a single compound and it's converting into two different elements, A and B. So that is named as decomposition reaction. And decomposition reaction are of three types: thermal, photo-decomposition and electrolytic decomposition. So before going further, we will discuss these three different types of decomposition reactions. First is thermal decomposition. As from its name, it's very clear, thermal means heat. So the reaction in which decomposition is carried by heating are called thermal decomposition reaction. As I have mentioned, calcium carbonate, on arrow I mentioned a triangle which indicate the heat is used. So it will form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. While doing these equations, you have to write the balanced equation every time. This is another example. In class 10 in examination, you may be asked about the color change. Like that's why I have mentioned a green color substance is heated to form reddish brown substance. So write the chemical reaction. So that's why you have to understand this. Ferrous sulfate, green color, when it will be heated, then it will converted into ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. On the basis of color, the question may be asked. Second is electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic decomposition means the color, the current, in which the current is evolved, electricity. So decomposition in which take place due to the electricity, electric current, that is known as electrolytic decomposition. Two examples I have mentioned. One is water and another is for sodium chloride. Photolysis or photo-decomposition reaction. Photolysis, as from its name it's clear, photo means light. So the decomposition reaction which take place in the presence of light, that is known as photo-decomposition reaction. Very common example, silver bromide, when kept in the open sunlight, then it will convert it into silver and bromine, and that is used in photography earlier also, right? Earlier they were using the negatives and there is a layer of the sodium silver bromide. When they keep it outside for dry, then it will dry and then the image will be formed, right? This way it was used in photography. Silver chloride, as you will keep it in sunlight, it will convert it into silver and chlorine gas. This is very important term, phenomena based on that photo decomposition, that is photolysis of photochromic lenses. Photochromic lenses, you might be using these lenses which changes color when you go in sunlight. Why? Because they are having a layer of silver bromide. But this is a temporary change. When you will move away from the sunlight, then again the color will change. Other color will disappears. This phenomena is used in photochromic lenses, that is photolysis or photo decomposition.